Hey guys, today let's make stuffed grape leaves together. Whether you call it dolmas, yabra, warak, whatever you call it, this is one of the staples in my kitchen. I love to grow it, I love to pick it, to make it from scratch. My family loves it. You can stuff it with meat, you can make it vegetarian. The choices are endless. We're gonna stuff it with the most traditional stuffing today, meat and rice. But later, I'll show you how to make it different ways. So let's start. After picking some grape leaves, I'm gonna wash them real well under running water. I boil some water and then I drop the grape leaves in the water for about 30 seconds. I finish the whole amount and then I move to making the stuffing, the rice and meat stuffing. And the stuffing is a mix of rice and beef. Ground beef, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, whether you like it fatty or you like it more lean, it's totally up to you. And the rice that I use is jasmine rice. I like the flavor of the jasmine rice. Besides, it's gonna cook on low heat for a long time. I want a rice grain that would hold up nicely. I spice it with salt, ground pepper, a little bit of allspice, cinnamon, and some vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I mix. And you can choose to wash the rice, but there's absolutely no need to soak it in water for a long time. Here I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna stuff the grape leaves. I'm gonna show you a couple and then I'm gonna speed the process and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. These grape leaves are very soft. They're the first pick of the season and they're gonna be amazingly tender after cooking. And before finishing the whole amount, let me show you how I'm gonna prep my pot. I'm gonna add some sliced tomatoes at the bottom of the pot. I'm gonna spice it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna add a very nice piece of ribeye, very flavorful cut of meat. I'm gonna salt it, add some allspice, some pepper, and then I'm gonna arrange the grape leaves and finish the rest of the amount. You can also choose to stuff some zucchini and add it to the bottom of the pan on top of the tomatoes. It's up to you. I usually do that. This time I'm just gonna show you how to do the grape leaves. Here I finished the whole amount. I'm gonna place it in the pot gently. I'm gonna add some hot boiling water add it to the stove top, and then I'm gonna salt the whole thing and weigh it down with a plate so that the grape leaves won't be messed up. They will hold their shape better. After boiling, I'm gonna turn the heat down to simmer for 3 hours. I want the meat to take its time cooking and the grape leaves too. So I forget about it for 3 hours. I'll see you in 3 hours. And don't forget that I tried to include all the ingredients and all the amounts in the description box below. So check it out. Three hours later, I add a little bit of lemon juice to give it more flavor, and it's ready. There's not much liquid left at the bottom of the pot. The meat is tender, very, very tender. So as the grape leaves, I arrange them in a platter and the dish is ready. If you think this is hard, it's worth making once in your life. It's so nourishing, it's comfort food at its best. I hope you give it a try. It is so good. If you think this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, bon appétit!